6 divided by 2 times the quantity 1 plus 2. Pause the video. What's your answer? Comment it below before you keep watching. Most people land on one of two answers, 1 or 9. Both feel confident. Both use real math rules. Let's see how each one is built. Everyone agrees on the first step. Solve the parentheses. 1 plus 2 is 3. So now we have 6 divided by 2 times 3. Here's where it splits. Interpretation A treats division and multiplication as equal priority, solved left to right. So 6 divided by 2, first, that's 3. Then 3 times 3, that's 9. Interpretation B treats 2, next to the parentheses, as a single glued together term. 2 times 3 gets solved first, as if it's one unit. So 2 times 3 is 6, then 6 divided by 6 is 1. Interpretation A follows the strict left-to-right rule taught in most schools today. Interpretation B follows an older convention, still used by many mathematicians and physicists, where a number directly next to parentheses, with no symbol, binds tighter than regular division. So which is correct? Neither, and both. The truth is, this expression is genuinely ambiguous. Professional mathematicians avoid this entirely by never writing division this way. Written with a fraction bar instead, there's zero ambiguity. 6 over 2 times the quantity 1 plus 2 has exactly one answer because the fraction bar shows exactly what's being divided. So next time you see this problem, the trick isn't solving it. It's knowing it was never fair to begin with. Subscribe for more.